Hi Curtis. So here is Birds. I am doing a little bit under the tempo for right now. I think I kind of switched up the arpeggio thing that we did, but I'm still working on that and kind of cleaning that up some more. But yeah, I'm pretty good for where the song's going right now. So all I'm going to do is verse 2 times, pre-chorus, and then excuse me, pre-chorus, then chorus. Ooh. And then after that, then I'll just finish it off with that. So, okay, awesome. I'm gonna get more situated. Okay.
Birds in the air, they don't worry, no. The sun's never scared that it won't rise. If all of creation depends on your goodness, oh why can't I? Birds in the air, they don't worry, no. The sun's never scared that it won't rise. If all of creation depends on your goodness, oh why can't I? Anxiety, such a human thing. But what do creatures know about you? They all know you're faithful and you're true. You'll do everything you said you would do, and they all know you're lovely and you're just. And I know these things, and I know these things, but I must admit that I'm so human sometimes. And everything you've done for all of creation, you've done in my life. Yeah.
There you go. So that's Birds so far. Yeah, I'm really liking how it's coming out, but let me know what you think, and can't wait for our lesson on next Monday. Awesome.